My name is Chaitanya. I'm working as a computer science lecturer. I'm from Bangalore. I'm in this meditation path from past 7 years. I have seen lot of difference in my life and as well as in my physical and emotional health after started after starting my meditation. Meditation has added value to my life. Before meditation, I was little stressed and I used to react for each and everything. For small things also I used to react. But after coming into meditation, I started accepting the situations and the people as they are. It has given me a lot of energy to accept the situations and be with the nature as it is. When you sit in a meditation, you'll become so sensitive that you start listening to your intuition. It guides us in each and every path of our life. We need to sit and we need to listen to the intuitions. When you start practicing meditation, you will experience an power of silence. You need not react to everything in your life. Silence is a beautiful and powerful answer for everything. And you start experience and the value of speech also. Where to speak, how much to speak, and what to speak. That is very, very important. To do all these things, you need some energy. That energy you will get in a meditation. Anapanasati meditation is one of the easiest way to practice and get the energy. Cosmic energy, it not only heals our body and emotion, it also helps us to be live in this moment. What we will do is we keep on thinking about our past, or we will be worried about our future. So instead of that, if you start enjoying your present life, then life will be beautiful. And with the practice of meditation, you will also notice that everyone, including us, where we are, what we are doing, everything is whole, complete, and perfect. So that's what I have read in You Can Heal Your Life from Louis L. Hay. That is a perfect sentence. You need not worry and you need not compare your life with anyone else. What you are doing, that is where you are, everything is whole, complete, and perfect. That gives us lots of relaxation and we'll start enjoying our present life. That is more important. If we waste our energy by worrying about the future or thinking about the past, we'll definitely lose our present moment. Present is a gift that you need to experience it. So in meditation, what we'll experience is we are in this physical world to experience these physical matters. We are all souls. So we want to enjoy. We are in this physical laboratory. See, Earth is a laboratory and we are here to experience the things. And we need to experience it. So if you start accepting and if you start live in this moment, then you can enjoy your life. So these are all the beautiful gifts that we'll get from meditation. And during lockdown, I had a severe backache and as well as hand pain. So usually what I follow is no medicine, no doctor concept, as Patri sir told. So I believe in that. What I did is instead of one of my doctor friend told, because of B12 vitamin deficiency, you are getting that pain and you need to take some B12 tablets. But I believe more in meditation than in taking medicine. So what I did it, I started group meditation with my friends for 5 to 6 hours. In a stretch, I did meditation for 5 to 6 hours and my pain got healed. So that's what I've seen many such experiences in my life because of this meditation, and I'm truly thankful to Patri sir and this pyramid energy. Usually, what happens is daily we will get 60 to 70,000 thoughts in our mind. It's not that easy to control thoughts. Without meditation, it's very, very difficult to control our thoughts. If you meditate regularly, our number of thoughts will reduce and only quality thoughts will remain in our mind. What is the use of meditation is, see, when you get only quality thoughts, you can improve, you can take better decisions in your life, and there is a lot of improvement in your life. I attended the SATE workshop. There I have come across a concept, SATE concept. You create your own reality. You are the director, you are the producer, and you are the hero of your life. And you have all the freedom to change your life. To change your life, you need energy. Without energy, you cannot do that. Even though if you want to change your energy, if you want to change your life, it's not possible. It's not that easy to change your life without energy. So where you will get that energy? In meditation, we will get lot of energy. So with the help of that energy, we can change the way that we are living. If you are not happy with the way what we are living, you can change your life anytime. So what we will take an birth to experience something new in this physical world, that we need to accept that. We need not worry and we need not compare our life with anyone else. And if you compare your life, it becomes something unusual. So, what meditation teaches us is that everything is perfect, no judgment, no comparison, no criticism. Only acceptance is the way of living. Regarding the books, I have read few books. As the Patrisa suggested, Shivoham Shivoham is one of the favorite book, and You Can Heal Your Life by Louis L. Hay, and Osho's books and Ramtha books. These are all the some few books that I have read, and there is a beautiful content, and you can experience. All these books helps us to look into our inner world. Everything is inside us. You need not look outside. Or as Osho told, nowhere to go but within. So if you start meditating regularly, you can see wonders in your life, miracles in your life. I usually meditate 3 hours a day, morning 2 hours and evening 1 hour. So if you meditate for long hours, you can see many, many miracles in your life. And it is one of the easy and beautiful techniques I have come across in my life. Before that, I have seen many other techniques of meditation, but Anapanasati is one of the easiest and best way. One thing I would like to say is practice meditation regularly. It gives us a lot of confidence, and you need not depend on anything else. If you start practicing meditation, your confidence will increase and you can heal your life and you can become confident in your life and your relations will improve and your life, you will see beautiful changes in your life. Thank you so much.